Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will to give you a tips how you can make a fish eye lens on your video even you don't have a fish lens in real life. So you just need to open the CapCut, open the project, and the next thing you need to do, take a look at this bottom feature, tap into the effects. Now tap into the video effects, guys. The next thing you need to do is just wait until everything is loading, and then you just need to tap into the lens sections and just swipe down until you got the effects pop up, and then you just need to find this fish eye effects. There could be like a lot of options that you can get here, and then you just need to tap one of the most you like. You can adjusting it by tap it again, and you can adjust in the range if you want to make it bigger, or you can make it smaller, and you can also adjust in the size when you want to zoom your video on it. Right after you're done, tap into this checklist button, apply this video into the whole clip, and now you are done. Now you get this fish eyes lens even without fish eyes lens properties on your video. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.